Hi everyone, welcome back. This week I'm doing a quick review on one of the lesser known in the UK brands that I stock, but well known to any of my customers and viewers that come from Scandinavia and the Baltic regions. So this is a brand called Novita. They're made in Finland, and the range that I'm showing you today is their Moomin range, or Muumit. It comes in just 6 shades, and each of them are designed around a character in the Moomin cartoon series. I don't know if any of you are familiar with it. So Novita is a brand that is really close to my heart. I don't know if you know, but my mum comes from Finland. This is the brand that I learnt to crochet with, so it's where it all started. And I really love this yarn. It is a cotton merino mix, and it's super soft and super squishy and bouncy and breathable, and it's just a really lovely DK yarn. I used a lot of this and the now discontinued wool cotton for some stuff for my new niece. So this only comes in 6 shades. This red, it's lovely, is called Little Mai in the UK, or Pikkumu in Finnish. And you've got a nice creamy white, and that's named after Moomin Troll. The colour code is 007, and it's just such a lovely yarn. It doesn't split, it's soft to work with, it doesn't have the harshness of just cotton. The merino adds an extra level of softness that you wouldn't just get with cotton on its own. So this is a lovely soft grey. The UK, it's called Toffel. I can't remember the Finnish name of it off the top of my head, but it's shade number 400. Then we have Snork, which is a lovely sunny blue. You can really see the nice texture of the yarn there. It looks like it would split, but it doesn't. It's a lovely sky blue. We have a lovely pale pink. And if you're stuck for ideas, there are a couple of 3 pattern books available that I sell for knitted garments, and a couple of crochet bits that do use this yarn. This one is Snork Maiden. Snork Maiden. So you could grab the pattern book as well if you're stuck for ideas, and Novita have a lot of lovely free patterns on their website as well that you could use, and you could use this yarn for any DK pattern. It is a true DK, and this is black. I don't know, my camera picks it up as black. And this is Stinky. Don't know if he's on the paw band. No, I can't see him. And that's 099. So again, this is a great little range that I think of the Moomin Novita yarns is often overlooked because there is only 6 shades, but it's such a lovely yarn to work with. If I recommend one to people that are looking for like a single colour baby thing, then this is the yarn that I really love to use, because it is breathable. It's got the natural fibres, but the merino just gives that softness that cotton wouldn't have on its own. So why not give it a try? I'll pop a link in the description box below, and I'll see you again soon.